May hapon sa tanan, mga ka-Jumericans. Karon na sad ta naka live. Kamusta ang tanan? Medyo lain ang panahon karon. Mainit eh, magatadag ulan. Dagong gaya sa gawas. Mga unta mga ka-Jumericans oh. Hmm. Hmm. Lunes. Hi, Shell. May ngapon di sa imo ah. Kuani, Shell. Kanang grapes, dako kayo. Tatikler man niya. Basta na ka, Shell. Congrats day sa imo. I'm so happy for you. Lain akong paminaw. Siguro tungod sa panahon. Lagi, morag sergwilas lagi. Dagkok ay siya. Mga ka-Jumericans, oh, shout out. Michelle Caroline Cornelio Sampayan. Pwede ninyo i-visit ang iyang house. Yang balay. Kung sinada siya yung mga
Marunong ka kayo mag-asa niya sa cellphone.
nice na mga content. Mga malingaw mo. Oy, kaon-kaon, oy. Mo lagi? Sugar? Pero, arang-arang naman karon Shell kay di na gid gaabot sa tag 200. Nagiundagan naman ako kung insulin. Pero, kung niaging adlaw, o kagwanta siya tikler, palitan ko niya isa. Kaya, radlock siya.
Pag-ilis sa... Ayaw lagi kay nana ba kay kay utanawa nice kay una. Uy, basta na to iyang topic. Pag ini si Marga, sulubon pa na ni mo ugma.
Wala man daw school ko.
Sige na Marga. Sige na ba?
Wala na yung school ko.
Ay, wala, di na tinawag. Sige na Marga, please.
No. Nag-print ko kaya takay. Kung ano daw ang...
O sige na, kakang mong mamapit ka na po ginaluto. Asa mo mga lako? Asa mo lako?
Asa ba today?
Paprint.
Ang start na ka shell o kuan work. Urot na ay.
Gusto man ang mga mag-istorya. Istorya Marga.
Sa iya man ang dula.
Ako, be.
Marga, ayaw kasi binuang sa cellphone ba kay sa pupon ko ni mo.
Sa dula na niya.
Ano yung sa TikTok? Amore ka na sa Mendown Bimbe. Ingon daw sila, abli pa daw ugma. And I'm
Isa'y
sad.
abli.
Na naman, kapalo sila ed sa tingi. Kapalo sila kailangan tayo mag-unta.
Ay, ugma, unay klase day, ugma 25.
I don't know. Class tomorrow? Ay, oh.
Nanaaman daw.
Walay klase 25.
That's not what our teacher said.
No class.
Oh my gosh, there's blood.
There's no class tomorrow.
OMG!
Where do you wanna go?
I wanna go to Hong Kong.
That's too far. And you don't even have a passport. So,
But it's in the Philippines.
Hong Kong is not in the Philippines. It's outside the country.
What country is that?
Don't step on that, Marga. It will be...
I have new lives that I will learn.
Marga, don't step on that one.
Okay, Pookie Bears. Oh my god! Close down! So I'm gonna find some new Pookies. Oh my gosh, I hate my brow.
Can you please hand me over the biscuit? The one beneath. The last one. Yeah, the last part.
It's not a biscuit.
Mm.
What's inside this? Oh,
Marga, no.
this is delicious. I wanna eat something food.
Biscuit na lang sa ta, mga Americans. Biscuit.
Okay, I'm gonna have to wear this from.
Paano yun siya nga biscuit, mga Americans na?
It's the food. The
Nang nipis kayo?
I think there's gonna be school tomorrow. I need ChatGPT.
Kain tayo. Biscuit.
ChatGPT is my only hope. Just ChatGPT. with McDonald's. I need
Pipis ka niya biscuit. So, okay lang.
otherwise
Last one, Marga.
Huh?
I'm gonna ask a favor.
what?
Party, can you please pass me the water? The one. The one inside the fit and right bottle. No, properly.
It's called soft.
Thank you.
See, I'm gonna use ChatGPT for this question about I'm gonna have I need ChatGPT. Tomorrow
Yeah.
has no school. I'm gonna
Sige na nagsima. Biscuit or ano siya? Nipis ka style.
assignment. Three.
What time is it, Marka?
I don't know.
Can you please check in there?
How about in the phone?
I can't. It's not showing up here on mine.
It's still 2.
2. Are you sure?
Yeah, 2:30.
2:30. Are you sure?
It's already 4.
Yeah, it's 4:02. It's Monday today. Tomorrow there's no class.
But that's what. Well, teacher said there's no class, but in the thingy. And
Are you happy? Are you happy that there's no class tomorrow? Huh?
No.
Marga?
No.
Why?
I did.
So you wanted to be a good student.
Okay. And can we read this anymore? Gotta ask mom.
You told us that you were so excited to come to school today. So what's on it? Huh?
It was a bit of things that we need.
What's in school?
I'm gonna need to have a water drinking cup, plastic cup.
No, what do you mean? What's in school? Why were you so excited today?
You know,
Is it the birthday?
yeah, we had 2 birthdays,
Mm.
and we had nothing.
What did you have?
I had a tinapay, which is still there.
What's that?
There.
Hmm?
anak ng lupa.
What tinapay you said?
DK?
Hmm?
IDK.
You said it's gonna be McDo.
Yeah, but you also had tinapay foods.
Hmm. So you did have a lunch. You did have lunch.
So I did have them.
Oh. Today is the day.
I gotta call my classmates.
What did you say?
Later, when are you gonna finish your live?
I don't know. An hour?
One
Or so.
hour? So later at 5, we're gonna be done.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm gonna send you something, and that's my thing.
What we gonna do on that?
We're gonna just...
What's that for?
It's for Makabansa. 18.
When you gonna need it?
I need it tomorrow.
Tomorrow. There's no class
I
tomorrow.
mean, I didn't know there's class, but that's what they say.
There's no class tomorrow, so we're gonna get it tomorrow.
But that wasn't what it was said in the GC.
Your mom said there's none.
Well, in the GC...
They have GC. Anyway.
Yeah, and it wasn't really sure if there was going to be school or not. But it was more like there was going to be school.
Yeah, I it's 25th tomorrow.
That was what they said. Maybe not school.
It's People's Powers Day. Where are we gonna go tomorrow, Marga?
We're gonna
Where would you want to go?
I need to. And get you this. Dang it.
I do have a lot of white hairs now, Marga.
I just sent it to you.
Huh?
I sent it to you already. Let's gonna.
In Messenger?
Yeah, I sent it. I'm just gonna check my classmate asking her to end it.
Doesn't show here on the video. I do have a lot of white hairs.
Patricia. Gonna ask Patricia. Giselle.
When you get older, Marga, you will have white hairs as well. You're gonna have a lot of uban. You can't eat it all. It's not tasty at all.
Yung assignment sa science, kinopya ko kasi hindi ko maintindihan yung writing ko. Kasi gisend mo, ito ang writing ko. Kasi, ballpen ko lang naman, nawawala. Ito nga lang ako dito sa lang, nawawala ballpen. Oh, ballpen ko, saan ka naman.
Are you using ballpen now?
Ha?
Are you using ballpen?
Yes.
Why?
I did grade 4.
Grade 4? Ah. I thought it's pencil still.
Open ko na.
Hello, thank you for watching.
Bakit?
Ah,
Oh my gosh.
yan kong baminaw karon mga ka-Americans eh. Dahil yung panahon karon. Kalabad ug ulo. Unsa may aside sa mga nag-work, unsa may inyong pangkabisihan din na mga ka-Americans?
Pat, isend mo na. Isend mo na. Please. Isend mo na yung ano, picture. May school ba bukas? Isabi ni teacher kay Vic. Sige na, Vic.
I told you there's no class tomorrow.
Sabi kay teacher ni Vic na may school daw bukas. Ano yan?
That's good. That's good. No class tomorrow.
Sure.
So,
Marga,
yes.
mauna po na yung mga kubang Marga. Wala na po kayo nagkakubang sa inyo.
There's no class tomorrow, Mansat.
Ay, no school tomorrow.
Oh,
Even though there is no school tomorrow, but there is a time limit for ano.
mm. Where will go tomorrow? I will stay here pa.
Ambot ninyo, basta mong duwa mga ito.
We're gonna ride a train tomorrow, Marga.
Ito.
Yeah.
Kabalo ka unang wax paper.
We're gonna ride a train tomorrow. We'll go somewhere.
Yeah, it says here, wax paper, bond paper, flashlight, cardboard, and paper, drinking glass, plastic or rubber ball.
Oh,
A small one. Oh. Hi, te. Te.
what's... I don't know why it's not working, my thing. I don't know.
Ano?
Watching. I can't see. I can't see. Who's watching? What else? We're gonna go to Mall of Asia tomorrow. You like? You like to go to Mall of Asia? Tomorrow? We'll go to Mall of Asia tomorrow. Or I don't know. Yeah. Oh, it's Monday. There's no fireworks tomorrow. Only during Saturdays and Sundays.
I need a wax paper, bond paper, flashlight, cardboard, anti-paper, drinking glass, cup, rubber, rubber.
She wants you to buy something for her.
What is that? Marga.
What?
Assignment again.
I need a wax paper, bond paper, flashlight, cardboard.
Ay, sige na bakit papalit dahil pagkaman, hindi ni mo ti asikasun mayo.
Plastic cup, plastic or rubber ball, small.
Is that confirmed by your teacher?
Yes, in science.
Marga,
Yes.
I'm gonna ask you something.
Yeah.
Can you please pass me the oranges?
We don't
There.
have orange.
There in that blue plastic bag.
We don't have orange. Kinana sa ako pala.
There, it's there, oh, in the blue plastic bag.
I finished it all.
No, it's there, Marga, please.
Wait.
Not really feeling well, though. What are you doing? I don't even have a stick. If I only have a stick, I can get it from here. Oh. I don't know why I can't see some of those people who's watching my live.
It's called anti-live.
Hello, sis. Kumusta ka, sis? Shout out, Clau Bebs de Luz Reyes. Kumusta ka, sis? Marga, can you please pass me the oranges, please?
It's not you.
All right, thank you. Okay. So, I do have here kumusta ka, sis? Clau Bebs de Luz Reyes. Kumusta ka, sis? Hello, sis Mitch. Sis Guaps. Hello. Ngaon ta sis Guap Orange. Lain ako paminaw sis ay. Ako'y sipon. Unya. Meron pa akong sipon. Yung parang naluluwa yung mata ko. Shout out po sa inyo. Shout out kay sis Guaps Mitch L. Oh, ito sis. Yan. Welcome sis Clau Bebs de Luz Reyes. Okay sis Mitch, no problem. Ingat ka. Kumusta ang exam mo? Ha? Akala ko si Sis Mitch nasa Cavite. Sorry. Ingat ka, Sis Mitch. Nasa Cavite ka po? Ano din po kami dyan dati. Stay. Doon sa Gainesville po. Sa Silang Cavite po. Kain tayo, sis. Bacoor. Parang mas malayo yung Silang Cavite sa Bacoor. Parang madaanan siya. Kasi yung Silang, yung parang malapit na yan sa Tagaytay. Thank you, Sis Clau Bebs de los Reyes. Thank you. Mahirap pa may sipon. Yung sipon man, yung parang naluluha ka. Bacoor, Cavite. Yung natira namin dati doon sa Gainesville po, sa Silang Cavite po. Malayo nga, sis. Malayo yung Silang. Kasi malapit ng Silang sa Tagaytay eh. Pero, malayo pa rin. Parang sasakay ka ng bus. Oo nga, sis. Salamat, sis. Thank you for watching, sis. Hapon na, sis. Ano yung uulamin mo, sis? Magluluto ka po ng hapunan? Oo. Yung Silang po. Ang Silang before sa saan ba yan? Before sa Dasmariñas, Cavite. Yun, tama ba ko, sis? Before sa Dasmariñas yung Silang? After before. Before, after ng Silang ay Dasmariñas, Cavite, tapos Silang. Tama ba ako, sis? Kasi dati, mga, 2000 and, 12 o 2012. So, nagti-training ako for, sa call center po. Okay, sis. Ingat ka po, sis. Thank you for watching. Oo, tama, sis. Sige sis, ingat ka po sis. Thank you for watching. Ang may sipon po tayo. Masarap amoyin ang orange. Ang sarap. Ah. Ah. Mm. Hello po. Shout out. Oliva Pakleb Pastor. Shout out po. Thank you for watching. Ronald Lee. Shout out. Thank you for watching. Kumusta ka, Ronald Lee? Okay lang po. Sinisipon ngayon eh. Oliva Pakleb Pastor. Shout out. Ronald Lee, shout out sa'yo. Okay lang ako, Ronald Lee. Ikaw, kumusta ka? Lalong gumaganda? Kumusta po kayo, Oliva Pakleb Pastor? Kabagyan po pala siguro tayo. Kasi Pakleb eh. Musta ka, gang? Ronald Lee. Shout out, Ronald Lee. Mga ka-Jomericans, pwede nyo pong bisitahin ang bahay ni Ronald Lee. Ang sa'y kalingawan ni mo di karon lang. Ga-join kag worship team lang. Kada kay simot-simuton ba? Isip kaning natay sipon ay. Lain ng paminaw, gisipon pero live gyapon. Ganun, pisikan ako matabi.
May pa mag-walking kanina.
Where?
I don't know.
Tonight? Yeah, it's okay. There's no class tomorrow. Tonight, we'll wait for Butchie to come.
Tonight.
We'll take her to Jones Bridge. What about Jones Bridge? Do you feel like going there tonight?
Don't forget.
Yeah. Oh, Marga, you still have a lot of fruits in your thingy? What's that? Ziploc. Oh, smells good. Love it. Smells good. Smells good. Ah, smells good. Ah. Hapon na po. It's time check. 4:31 in the afternoon. So, mm, so, sa may nindot na topic ng istoryahan. Marga, what do you think? A topic. Huh? What? What topic? I don't know. I don't know. Hello po. Thank you for watching. Sud kay nagsipon ba? It's making me cry.
Marga, ikaw diligyo ka makakuan nga. Wala kay kuan-kuan sa imong tiil. Gunaanan ko ng tiilan na makalago. Nagugaw-gaw na po ka dili sa pum. I'm hungry.
Oh, what you gonna eat? Need some meat. Like, sliced meat. Because we already had enough of egg. We ate egg for 1 week. 2 weeks, egg. We made egg our rice for 2 weeks. I still have 3 oranges left. What's on the inside of that? Gulay?
Gulay.
Oh, it's gulay. What's the best topic, Marga? You don't know? Oh, oh. I'm gonna get here my thing. Oh no. I'm gonna get my Marga. I'm gonna ask you something. Can you please give me my laptop?
Sure.
It's near. Oh no.
Marga. Siyempre, magbaklay-baklay mo, Marga.
No.
You don't like? Why you don't like? Where is my phone?
Where did you put? Maybe you left it in the kitchen.
Why I am so forgetful nowadays?
It's signs of aging anyway.
Oh no.
You don't you don't blame anything for it. Can you please give it to me, Marga? It's here, Marga, in the drawer. Because I think I'm gonna put it on and then I'm gonna sing. I'm gonna sit in the middle of the storm. Thank you for watching. I can't see who's watching, Marga. Do you know how to view who's watching? Audience. Who's watching? Who is it? Who is it?
Marga,
Yes.
ito na lang
I still have 10 minutes
Kanya mo kailangan.
left.
Saan mali mo?
I still have 10 minutes
10
left.
minutes left for what?
My live.
Pag-istorya ka. Hindi ka kagimana.
I can't say anything anyway. Because I'm tired and no, not tired. I'm not feeling well though. I have cold. But still I'm doing live. So who cares? Oh. What's that? Rice?
I'm hungry. Wait, we still have rice in there. That's rice.
Yeah. But it's not the same, the one that you're having.
Margo, what are you doing here? Why? You did not put it in a proper place. You should put it in a proper place.
10 minutes, 8 minutes left.
Gawa din na, Bill. Hawa ka na gabi. Nga naman yun na imong tiil. Kini bang tiil na kinahanglan yun din na yun eh. Kilabtan. Oh Lord, thank you Jesus for wonderful. Thank you for
Tagko kayang mga baso ba?
Thank you.
Grabe ka dako ang baso ba? The mugs, Marga, are so huge.
Sana meron din
Need to have a meat. Meat. Or tokwa. Hi, Michael Casas. Shout out sa imo. Musta naman ka? Uy, musta naman ka, uy. Musta na ka, Kel? Joker, mga Kel, uy. Asa ka, Kel? Naka-CDO?
Sina nag-antos ko sa kagwapo.
Naka-CDO, Kel? Nagbiyahe, gurun.
Nag-antos sa kagwapo.
Okay ra, gwapo ra gyapon ka, Kel. Asa ka na kasi CDO? Ah. Mustang boy na to, Kel.
Kumusta naman si kati mong friend? Wait nga, iyab ni mo iya ang magulang.
Hmm?
Itong babae.
Okay na ba?
Sa bali man sila kainan.
Wala ko balo. Okay ra ko diri ah. Naras balay kay isip-on. Lain paminaw. Nagtinigulang na kay. Na. Tiguang na taan eh. Daga naging uban gali oh. Ano yung mga uban oh. Sa mga kin, nag-vlogger na sagka. 2025 ka na vlogger naman tanang tao. Hindi, tanang tao halos tanan ba? Na vlogger. May na lang. 4 minutes left.
Dapat
For compliance, tumanggod ito.
ano. Ang tao mo ganahan ang sa mga mukha mo sila nagbalik-balik. Nag-follow na siya.
May na lang. Three minutes left. May na lang. Man na ni. Siya, unan.
Okay.
So, Marga, what do you want to do tomorrow?
I don't know.
You don't know. You just want to lay down all day.
You should be productive, Martha.
We can go ride a train. You want to ride a train going to Mall of Asia tomorrow? Hello, thank you for watching. I'm almost... Thank you for watching. Hi. All right, bye. Thank you for watching.